What is up, everybody? Dan the Fireman here. Welcome to the Dan the Fireman channel. I am just a guy that has taken as many advanced motorcycle courses as I can and then sharing my knowledge with you. I want to share this information with you so that you'll be prepared to take the classes yourself. So what you'll find on this channel is a bunch of beginner rider tips, riding techniques, how to practice certain skills in the parking lot, how to practice certain skills on the road, and I am here to deliver that to you because of you. If it wasn't for my Patreon, I wouldn't be able to do this full time and take all these motorcycle courses so that I can deliver the knowledge that I learned to you on YouTube and all the other social media that I have. I want you to join the DDFM crew, and the best way to do that is click that subscribe button. The second free way of doing that is joining the Discord. The Discord is a giant chat room that works on your Android or iPhone or desktop or whatever, and it's a giant chat room with, we have over 1,000 members in the chat. Guys, you need to join. And if you want to help support this channel, make sure you become a DDFM crew member officially by joining Patreon. We have over 200 members right now, and you guys are making it possible so I can make these videos. I can constantly take these classes and deliver the best knowledge I possibly can to you for free to all 67,000+ subscribers. So if you are here to learn, make sure you join us on Discord. Make sure you join us by subscribing, or make sure you join us by getting on Patreon, because that is the best way to support this channel. With that said, hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and I'll be seeing you guys later.